Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kidu. I am back with an interesting non-fire cooking recipe that is Mini Mayo Sandwich. So let's get started.
Ingredients for the recipe: 1 tablespoon chopped carrot, 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped tomato, 1 tablespoon chopped capsicum, 1 tablespoon chopped cucumber, half Tsp Tomato Ketchup, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise, 6 bread slices, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 cones, 1 is chocolate cone and 1 is ketchup cone for decoration. First add chopped carrot, add chopped onion, add chopped tomato, add chopped capsicum, add chopped cucumber, now add mayonnaise, now add tomato ketchup, salt to taste, now add black pepper, and mix it well with the help of a spoon. You can also add cheese to make it more tasty and healthier. Our filling is ready. Now take bread slices. I have taken 6 bread slices. Now I will cut it with the help of a glass. Now we will spread our filling on the bread. Now put another bread slice on it and press it well. Now we will decorate our smiley with the help of a ketchup. First we will make mouth. Now we will make eyes with the help of a chocolate cone. Fill it with tomato ketchup.
See kids, these mini mayo smileys are looking very yummy. Kids, our mini mayo sandwiches are ready. Make it for your family and enjoy it. Thank you.